Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to have you all here again. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm fine too. So let's start today's video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about a particular artificial intelligence system. Now as we all know, everything is getting AI centric. So in this case of writing code, we have a particular AI which is known as BlackBox. So now what's BlackBox AI is? Let's dive deep into it. Open your browser and just go to the website which is known as useblackbox.io. Click on the first link and they will land you to this page. The interface of BlackBox AI looks like this. Now, what BlackBox AI is? If I have to answer the question directly, then I will say BlackBox AI is an artificial intelligence system which gives you the particular code for the particular question that you have given as an input and the particular language that you have chosen. So in simple language, if you want a particular code to design something, and if you put the question here, say for example write the code for a registration form in React.js, and click here, ask BlackBox, they will give you the whole code using React.js. So after that, all you can do is just copy the code from here and use it in your particular IDE that you're using to develop the particular application or website or anything else. So now let's see how this works. Also, there are different options here. You can go and check everything out here. So now let's see how this BlackBox AI works. Now if I write here, write the code for a registration form, write the code for a registration form using React.js. And if I click ask BlackBox, and let's see what they give us. Alright, this is the output here in blackbox.io. So I have given them the question, write the code for a registration form using React.js. And this is the answer from this AI. Sure, here is the code for a registration form using React.js. And now here you can see this is the whole code that I just can copy from here and paste it in the particular IDE that I'm working with. So even you can see here, this is the copy option. If I click here, this whole code is being copied right now. So that's it. That's how everything is getting easier day by day. You just have to copy it from here and just paste it in the particular IDE you are using. That's all for today. I'll be making a series of different AIs that we can use in daily life to make our life easier day by day. That's all for today. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm fine here too. Alright, I'll be continuing giving videos as much as I can these days. Thank you. Take care.